In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Google Meet video call on a laptop or PC using the updated method for 2025. If you've ever found yourself needing to capture those important meetings or presentations for record keeping or to share later, this guide is exactly what you need. Now, before we dive into the actual recording process, let's make sure you have the necessary tools and permissions lined up. To use Google Meet's built-in recording feature, first ensure that you have a Google Workspace account. Specifically, this needs to be Business Standard, Business Plus, Enterprise, or an Education account. Also, you must be either the host of the meeting or have been granted the necessary recording permissions. Don't forget to check that you have enough storage available in your Google Drive, since recorded meetings are automatically saved there. With these prerequisites in place, let's proceed to the recording process itself. Start by opening Google Meet on your laptop or PC, and either start a new meeting or join an existing one. Once you're in the meeting, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the interface. You should see an icon resembling three vertical dots. This is the Activities menu. Go ahead and click on that. From the menu that appears, select Recording. At this point, you can also decide the language for any captions that might be required. Once you're ready, click on Start Recording to initiate the process. A pop-up will appear momentarily, prompting you to confirm your decision. Click Start once again to proceed. Be aware that all participants in the meeting will be notified with a brief alert indicating that the recording has begun. This step ensures transparency and that everyone in the session is aware that they're being recorded. Once the meeting concludes or you no longer need to record, end the recording session. Your captured video will automatically be saved in the meeting host's Google Drive, specifically in a folder named Meet Recordings. Additionally, Google will send an email containing a link to the recording, which will also be shared in the Google Meet chat for your convenience. That wraps up our step-by-step guide to recording a Google Meet session using the 2025 updated way. Remember, ensuring you have the right permissions and sufficient Google Drive storage is crucial for a smooth recording experience. Once everything's set up, following these steps will make the recording process straightforward and efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making sure you capture all those important moments effortlessly. If you found this walkthrough beneficial, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.